So we've got the leg press here, very simple. You bring your legs in and then you extend. However, I'd just like to show you a couple of things, the way you position your feet to make sure it's safe as possible. As you can see, you got your feet placed near the bottom of the plate. Now I don't really like this particularly because it puts your ankles in a bad position, as you will see. As you can see, your knees are over your toes, and as you see with your ankle, it's stretched. Now when you put weight on this, that weight's adding to that stretch, which can be quite dangerous. So now I'm going to show you the way I prefer to put my feet to keep it as safe as possible. So I put my feet up, not as high as possible, but just in line with my knees. So my ankles are in line with my knees as much as possible. And then when I bring my legs down, there's very little movement within my ankles. All the movement is within my hips and my knees. And that there, ladies and gents, is the simple leg press. Nice and simple. Now we're going to go to calf raises using the same machine, and all we're going to do is put our feet to the bottom of the plate so only our toes are touching the plate, and then we're just going to extend, and it's going to be used for our calf raises. Just to note with this one, as you can see, I've got a slight bend within my knee. My legs are not completely straight, so don't keep your legs completely straight. Keep a slight bend within your knees. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is your calf raises.